Radishes are a root vegetable that can be consumed a number of different ways. They can be cooked or eaten raw, added to many different recipes, or even added to smoothies. Though they can be overlooked by other root vegetables such as onions, radishes offer many health benefits when consumed regularly and are loaded with healthy nutrients and provide medicinal benefits. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming radishes regularly. First, as mentioned previously, radishes are packed with many different vitamins, minerals, and other healthy nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, as well as folate, potassium, vitamin B6, and manganese, among many others. Radishes also contain good amounts of dietary fiber, are high in antioxidants, and low in calories, making them nutrient-dense. Regular consumption of radishes can also help to naturally boost your immunity and improve your immune system. As mentioned previously, radishes are a great source of vitamin C, which works to help rejuvenate the immune system and help with the production of white blood cells that can help to fight against unwanted infections and disease. The other high amounts of antioxidants and vitamins and minerals are also important for overall immune system health. Radishes can also help to improve overall digestion and improve the health of the digestive tract. This is often contributed to its good source of dietary fiber. The fiber found in radishes can help to add bulk, which can promote regularity and bowel movements and relieve symptoms associated with constipation and diarrhea, as studies have shown. Radishes can also help to promote the production of bile, which is vital for healthy digestion of the foods we eat. They can also help to improve overall cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. This is because radishes are a tremendous source of flavonoid compounds, known as anthocyanins, which studies have shown not only reduce the risk of heart disease, but also help to reduce and eliminate free radicals and oxidative stress that can damage the cardiovascular system. Radishes are also a good source of potassium and manganese, two heart-healthy nutrients that can help to lower and regulate blood pressure while also improving the overall health of our blood vessels. Lastly, by consuming radishes regularly, they can help to promote overall skin health and help the skin to look younger and more radiant. This is because radishes contain good amounts of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and zinc, which are vital for overall skin health. Not only are radishes high in skin-healthy nutrients, but they are also high in water content, which can help to flush out toxins and free radicals that can lead to fine lines and premature signs of aging. Radishes can also help to maintain healthy moisture and hydration levels of the skin. Not only that, but due to its disinfectant properties, radishes can help to reduce symptoms associated with skin disorders such as rashes and dry skin. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.